Hello everyone and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In today's session, we're going to talk about objects and their features. We already discussed how to create an object and edit its text and so on. Let's see the more advanced options. First, let's select an object. If we double-click it, you will see that we have a field that's called description. Clicking on the description will give us an option to add whatever description we would like to add, including URLs and any other text that we want to include. For example, this is the turbojet engine, and I can now add a description calling it the main object of turbojet. For example, clicking on an update will insert the description field and show me a little icon. It will show me the tooltip, which shows me the text. Double-clicking automatically will open the description field and will select it to editing. I have here an option to not show the description field. It doesn't mean it removes the context, but it will hide it if I don't want it to see it in my model. The next thing that we want to show you is this link. This is the URL link. This is done via the entities extension option. Clicking on it, you will see the view URL. Selecting it will give me an option to add URL. Here is a URL for a picture and the actual URL for that picture. I can click preview and I can add my comment and notes to that field. I can add as many links as I would like, selecting from video, articles, text, or connecting to an OSLC. Removing is clicking on the X near the preview. Don't forget to click Save once you finish. You will see the icon on the object and the cursor of the mouse will be changing. Clicking on it will open the linked picture. Here you can see it's the engine. Multiple clicks will toggle and rotate throughout the links I've defined. The next thing we want to do is see how we can handle more optionable in our things. The first thing that we're going to handle is the turbojet engine system. I can see that it already been unfolded. So clicking on the unfold will get us to the OPD, show unfold view. I can click here and see the same thing. Clicking on it, change the view to our system. Here you can see the turbojet engine system. Let's take our turbojet engine system and see different views that we can do with it. I will drag it just in order for us to create some kind of contrast. And here you can see that I can now use the semi-fold. If in the SD this object is now folded, I do not see his rest of attributes aside from what I've expressed, like here and here. And in the unfolded view, I can see the entire object. Here I have a more compact view, which will show me what it includes, but in a compact way. Here I can see that the turbojet engine is showing me the turbojet. I can click and remove it or getting it back. Let's delete this instance, go back and try it here. You can see that it will show me whatever is not expressed outside. If I want to take something outside, I will double click it. Now it is getting outside. If I want to reinsert it, I'm clicking it back in, and so on. As you can see, it is automatically linked to whatever previously was done. So I can control whatever I want and see it. So I can go back and forth and see everything inside. Another thing that we want to show you is how to handle states, connect them, and change them. In OPM, we have the option to create states, computational states, or regular states. Let's try it here. I will add a new object, example for states. It is not a meaningful name, I know. We'll add states. We can add description. And as before, double clicking will show me that I have description. I can change the current, default, final. I cannot have them both together as they cannot coexist. I cannot have something that is both currently and having in different states. But a state can be both the initial state and the final state, meaning that in between it switches states. I can add the time duration. I have the units. I can select minutes. I can give it minimal, nominal, and maximal, and I can show it. As you can see in the OPL, there is a respectfully OPL for that time duration. I can remove the time duration. I can connect links according to what is optionable.